So you want to make $100 to $150 for watching someone sign their name, and you want to become a notary loan signing agent. So what are the steps? Here they are. Step number one, get your notary commission from your state. The cool part is about 42 of the 50 states don't require anything more than an application. But the company I always recommend if you want some notary training is the National Notary Association. Once you get your notary commission, the second step is to get the things necessary to file your notary commission, like a bond. A bond is different than your errors and omissions insurance, which is the next thing you need to get if you are choosing to become a loan signing agent. Once you get your notary commission, once you get your bond, once you get your E&O insurance, the next thing you need to learn is how to do a loan signing. There are so many great courses out there like the loan signing system, but your job is now to learn how to walk a borrower through a purchase, a refinance, a seller package. That is when a home seller sells her home. Pages need to be signed and some need to be notarized. The next would be a home equity line of credit and a reverse mortgage. Those are the 5 most common signings you will see at a signing appointment for a notary signing agent. Once you learn how to do a loan signing with a borrower, the last step is learning how to get business. The most common way for signing agents to get business is through something called signing services. Signing services act like a broker that was between the escrow company, title company, and the notary. They ping the notary that's closest to the borrower for a signing, and they get the appointment. Or you can go directly to realtors, lenders, escrow company, title officers to get your loan signings as well. So those are the steps to becoming a loan signing agent and starting to make money today. If you have any questions at all about the steps that I just listed out, please don't hesitate to comment below or find me on any of my social media channels and follow my page for more tips just like this.